Hello students, in this module we are going to talk about basics of food and beverage service. The content is as per the NCHMCT Noida. So the topic that we have chosen for today is global hospitality industry. Now what is hospitality industry and what is this term hotel? A hotel or inn is defined by the British law as a place where a bona fide traveler can receive food and shelter, provided he is in a position to pay for it and is in a fit condition to be received. Hospitality sectors can be classified into various categories like hospitality services, events, pubs, bar and nightclubs, contract catering, hotels, travel services, visitor attractions, tourist services, holiday parks, self-catering, hostels and membership clubs. We'll talk about history of global hospitality. Early travelers were either warriors, traders or people in search of knowledge. This was before the advent of hotels. Thus, warrior and conquerors pitched their tents for accommodation, while traders and people traveling for knowledge placed the high value on hospitality and sometimes traded their merchandise for lodging. Innkeeping can be said to be the first commercial enterprise and hospitality one of the first services for which money was exchanged. Inns of biblical times offered only a coat or a bench in a corner. Guests stayed in a large communal rooms with no sanitation and privacy. The rates were of course reasonable. In the 3rd century AD, the Roman Empire developed an extensive network of brick-paved roads throughout the Europe and Asia. Minor and a chain of roadside lodges were constructed along the major thoroughfare from Spain to Turkey. Till the Industrial Revolution of 1700, no significant improvement was made in the inns and taverns. They were not very suitable for aristocrats. To accommodate wealthy travelers, luxurious structures were constructed with private rooms, individual sanitation, and the comfort of European castle. These elegant new establishments adopted the French word for mansion, that is hotel. Not surprisingly, these rates too were beyond the reach of ordinary person. Early history of accommodation for travelers can be traced back to the Greek word xenia, which not only meant hospitality but also the protection given to a traveler from discomforts. The city was bound to traditions of hospitality. In Sparta city, despite rigorous customs restricting visitors, goddess Athena was considered a protector of strangers, and hence her name Xenia Athena. In the period, travelers were mainly diplomats, philosophers, intellectuals, and researchers. Guests were invited to stay with the noblemen in ancient Olympia buildings, constructed with the aim of accommodating strangers, are still visible. They were called Leonardo and were built in 4th century BC. The concept of hospitality can also be traced back to ancient times. The next stage in the cycle of evolution of the hospitality industry was coming of the motor car. It enabled people to visit those parts of the country which could not be reached by railway. This gave birth to inland resorts and the hotel industry began to flourish. International air travel has helped create the modern stopover hotel. With the increase in this form of travel, the number of hotels built close to airport has multiplied. Another trend in hotel keeping is the motel, which is the 20th century version of Old Coach Inn. The major development which the global hospitality has seen are as follows. 14th century. Monasteries were used by pilgrims and travelers, country houses by the aristocracy. In the 16th century, holiday meant religious festival. In the 16th and 17th century, spa towns with restorative water such as bath became popular. In the 17th and 18th century, coaching inns developed next to mail coach routes. Lodging houses like guest houses were used by salesmen and the rich rented houses to stay in. In the mid of 18th century, the development of the railway meant that more people traveled. Station hotels developed. In the early 19th century, after the Industrial Revolution, with more cramped and unhealthy living conditions in cities, people wanted to escape to seaside country. Demand for accommodation and restaurant increased, especially when people had more leisure time. 1911, the first Indian restaurant opened in the UK. 1920s, air travel became popular, 10,000 passengers for European routes. In 1906, first free school meal meant job for cooks to produce the meal. 1909, the first YHA youth hostel opened in Germany so young people living in large industrial cities could enjoy the countryside. Now there is an exercise for you. Do a Google search and find 20 hotels groups which have a history of 50 years. Coming up in the series is Indian hospitality industry. The resources are from the book Food and Beverage Service from Oxford Publication. Thank you.